Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and I just did part 2 of this, interlocking rings, and I said in that video that you could probably keep doing it forever. And I started thinking it'd be really easy. This thing is, I made a 4-inch circle, so I'm going to make my nudge factor 2, and I'm going to Control D and duplicate it, move it over, and Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. So we have these rings, but they're not overlapping yet. You know, this one is on top of that one. But all you have to do is do that same in the previous video. Just make sure you get it all. And you only have to really select the first 2 plus the box and then go intersect. I'm going to go ahead and erase our rectangle and then grab our intersection and go to object in order in front of page. And then all I have to do is hit the plus key on the keyboard and move it over that same nudge factor of 2 inches. Now every ring looks like it's interlocking into the next ring. Pretty cool. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.